my foot's going to step where? To the edge, not in. If I step in, back this.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
It's not a box that I got to get around. It's a circle. So even if he spun his back fist and swings around, see it? It's a circle, not a square. So you have to move in the circle. So flip back. So what I need to do when this pulls in, his circle here. So see almost where my blue line is, except the blue line's here because we moved. My foot's going to step where? To the edge, not in. If I step in, back this. You get what I mean? Or watch. If I was here and I stepped out, backspin come on. So that's going to come through, right? And then I'm just here. But I didn't step here and then here and go around this square. And I didn't step here and go into here, thinking, I'm behind him, I'm good. If you're here like this, you got this exposed. This makes this basic weight transfer through your punch, that makes that more effective. I would be here and I would see how I step? Because this requires, whereas if I'm here and this foot's loaded, this push into my sprint, weight's already there. You see how that little tail behind here, and I step into my transfer. I step. It doesn't matter if it's back here and I just step to here. What's the step do? It throws your weight again. Throws your weight. Now, once you're here, this is the trick. When you step, that cocks. Because then I get what? There's my body orientation.